Have you ever heard of the idea that someone's sense of smell may be an indicator of future cognitive problems? A new study has suggested that this may be the case, and it's pretty fascinating stuff. By testing a person's sense of smell, researchers were able to predict the future risk of cognitive problems, especially for those at risk of dementia. The study involved over 865 people who were tested every 5 years to detect and identify different odors. Participants also had their thinking and memory skills tested twice, 5 years apart. What's really interesting is that researchers used DNA samples to identify those who carried the gene that is linked to a higher risk of Alzheimer's. What they found was that individuals with the gene variant were 37% less likely to have good odor detection than those without the gene at a single time point. But it gets even more interesting. People carrying the gene variant did not show a difference in their ability to identify what odor they were smelling until they reached age 75 to 79. Once they began to lose their ability to identify odors, the gene carrier's ability declined more quickly than those who did not carry the gene. Now, this is where it gets really exciting. At the start of the study, thinking and memory skills were similar between the two groups. However, those carrying the gene variant experienced more rapid declines in their thinking skills over time than those without the gene. This means that by testing someone's sense of smell, researchers may be able to predict future cognitive problems much earlier than they could before. Of course, more research is needed to confirm these findings. But it's a promising step towards identifying people at risk for dementia early in the disease. So, what do you think about this? Pretty fascinating, right?